In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter by status in Wrike. This is a really useful skill if you're working with a lot of tasks and projects and you want to quickly see only what's relevant to you, like what's active, what's completed, or what still needs your attention. Let's start from your Wrike workspace. Make sure you're in the view where your tasks or projects are listed, such as a list view, board view, or table view. Near the top of the screen, you'll see the toolbar where you can adjust how your work is displayed. In that toolbar, look for the filter option. It's usually labeled clearly, and this is where you'll control what appears in your current view. Go ahead and click on filter. When you do this, a panel or drop-down will appear, showing different options you can use to narrow down your items. Among these options, you'll see one labeled status. This is the filter that lets you decide which tasks you want to see based on where they are in your workflow. Click on status. Once you open it, Wrike will show you a list of available statuses. These might include things like active, completed, deferred, cancelled, or any custom statuses your team has set up, such as in progress or waiting for review. The exact labels can vary depending on how your workspace is configured, but the idea is always the same. Each status represents the current stage of a task. Now, select the statuses you want to include in your filter. You can usually click once to turn a status on, or click again to turn it off. For example, if you only want to see tasks that are actively being worked on, you might select active and deselect completed or cancelled. If you're trying to review finished work, you might choose completed and leave the others unchecked. After you've made your selections, the list of tasks will automatically update to show only the items that match the statuses you chose. There's no need to save anything separately. Wrike applies the filter right away. Take a moment to scroll through and confirm that you're seeing what you expect. If you need to adjust your view later, just click on filter again, return to the status section, and add or remove statuses as needed. You can repeat this process anytime to keep your workspace focused and easy